Hello guys, welcome back. In our previous video, we worked on our category in the sense that when you click it, it will display only post with that particular. If you click your lifestyle, we see we have only two posts on that lifestyle. So now what I want to do in this video, I want to make this page also dynamic. So if you choose animal here, animal should be chosen here too. Now let's do that. Your VS Code that will be inside our blog cat list. This is where we want to make dynamic. So we have to create a line of code in our blog controller for that. So we'll actually take a variable. I'm going to name it name cat. So name cat will be equals to category, which is the model name for the category table. Category. Then we'll be using a function where into brackets function we want to use now is where the category ID will be equals to the requested ID here. Show us the name of the category. The condition we want to follow is that once the ID here is equals to the ID here, let's say the ID here is 5, the ID here is 52. Once it's equal, display animal. Let's say the ID here is 2, the ID here is 2 too. Once it's equal, to display spot. Let's do that. So in our category, where the category ID is equals to the requested ID here, once it's equal, we get just the first data. Now we've gotten the first data like that. So now we have to pass it in our compact. Pass it there. That is all. So now in your block cat list, to make this visible now, you make it visible using the name cat variable. That is a name cat. Then what I would trying to make visible? I'm trying to make visible the category name. That is all. So let's save all and check it out. Save all. We are actually on animal now. Let's see if it works. So now it gives us animal. Let's click on food and drink and see. Very easy. Let's click on lifestyle. Let's click on sport and fitness and see. So we've successfully done that. So now what we want to do is I want to put like this place. I want to put the category link here. This topic, I want to put the details link here and so on. And I want to put read more here with the details link. So I'll also do that for the home page. So do that for the home page. But I'll put the category link here, put the details link here. And also for this sidebar here, I've not made it dynamic in the home page. So we'll just work on everything at once. And also I've not made this place in the home page. Let's start from the category page. Let me put all the required links here. So guys, in the blog cat list, what I want to do first is that this our sidebar here. This our sidebar. We already have it as a separate file in our front end home folder. What I want to do is that I I want to make I want to transfer this sidebar there, then make this place an include function the way we did in our index page here. The way we did in our index page here, make everything include function. That's what I want to do with the sidebar. Now let's do that. The cart list, so I'll just minimize the sidebar. Cut it. And the sidebar file here. Paste everything here. Now after doing that, what I want to do here is I want to use the include function. That will be at include. What are we including? We're including the sidebar. Where is it located? It's located in the front end. Front end, then inside the home, and you will see your sidebar. Now let's save this and check it out. So let's refresh if our sidebar will still be here. As you can see, our sidebar is still here. Now what we want to do is we want to add the details link to the post title. The details link, we have it in our blog details already. We have it in our recent post already. Our recent post page. We have the details link here. This is it, the details URL. You copy it. Your cart list page, you put it there. You put it in the post title. And also in your post image URL. And also we want to on here to read more. So we'll copy from our blog details. Copy the read more part. Okay, it's now our recent post. So this is the read more. We'll copy it inside our blog cart list. Paste it. Also, we'll include our details page here. Read more. Copy it from here. We'll paste it here. Now I save or let's check it out. You refresh. As you can see, if we click on the topic, it will take us to the read more page. Go back and we'll click on read more. It will also take us to the read more page. That is that. Now now that we're done with our arts page, now this is the sidebar. We'll work on it separately. Now let's work on our details page. Our sidebar in details page also, we want to make it be at include function. So we don't need to be editing it in separate. In the details page, a sidebar, okay, this is our sidebar here. We just minimize it from here. Delete it. Use the include function. We copy it. Paste. That's all we need to do. This is the comment section. We'll still work on here. Now let's save all and check it out. Save all. Let's see if our sidebar will still be visible. As you can see, our sidebar is visible. So now for the recent post, which is the home page, you see that for the recent post we loaded this blog variable already to get all the details in the blog page, in the blog database, to get all the posts in the blog database. But remember that we included our sidebar here, and in our sidebar we are going to need data from our category and data from latest post. So now what we need to do now is we need to copy these two and include it in the recent post. So just copy this and we'll link it directly to the model blog post or the model category. Now let's save all. Now let's reload. The home page. Let's check our sidebar. Let's check our sidebar. And see our sidebar is visible here. So now let's check if this our title is linked to the details page inside our sidebar. Check the title. This is the title, is not linked. So let's copy the details page link. So we're going to copy the details page link for this position, our recent post. Now recent post. And see the details page link here. Copy it. And also put it for our image also, our recent post, and put it for our read more. For our read more. So now we copied it for our sidebar. We want to put it for the topic. Where else do we need it? This our category name. Also has the link in. That is all we need to do. So the other thing we need to do is this our category here too. We need to include the link. So these are our trending categories. Just that we'll copy the category link from here. So inside your own page, inside your category list, we've not made it dynamic yet. Let's do that. Let's make this dynamic. So we are going to find the common div. Done this too many times. So we've gotten one common div, we'll take that one. We're going to delete the rest. Now we've deleted the rest. So now all we want to do here is we want to display the category image name. So we've done this in our sidebar already. Here, category image and category name. We can just copy this. Just copy this for the image. I'll copy for the name. And also, don't forget your at for each function. This is that one here. And for each. So what we need to do is need to copy this, paste it. So for the category, we don't need it here. We'll remove the limits. Now let's save or reload the page. As soon as we reload the page, all our categories. So I'm going to fix this from the back end. I'm going to change the image. Now in our next page, in our next video, working on pagination. So that in case you have 50 blog posts, all the 50 won't just in a straight line. You'll be able to move from page 1 to page 2. That's what I'll be doing in the next video. See you in the next video.